Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. And as you see here, I have some scrap papers that I decided to cut in pieces using golden matte medium. I will glue these pieces down. I didn't really put a lot of thought into the types of shapes that I would cut some of them in, but I tried different placement of them and had to cut some of them down a bit. I wasn't getting the look that I wanted. And so this is what I ended up with. Some are deli paper. The pieces with the red are deli paper. And there's some mixed media paper in the black that I took a hole puncher and punched holes in. And mark making papers is that center piece with the black and the gray strip. Was just some mark making that I did with a Posca pen, silver Posca pen. And so I like working with the deli paper because when you glue it down, it becomes very transparent. And it's fun to put prints on and to work with. So I wanted to do just this simple piece, just using black, white, red as a pop of color, and just to show that you can work with 2 or 3 colors and still end up with a nice abstract piece. If I was to give this piece a title, I guess I would call it On Guard. So if you have your scraps of papers from jelly prints or perhaps from previous things that you've done, you want to hold on to them. Here you see that I'm using the Micron 08 just to add some lines. I find that adding the lines is a great filler for certain areas of the gel prints. It adds a different look, and I chose to use, a fine marker as opposed to a thick mark because I think I have enough heavy black in this piece. And as you can see, I'm trying to look at it and determine where to place a line. And I don't even think I really need this line at the bottom. But I'm placing it there anyway. So that's the finished piece. So now I have placed a mat on it. A black mat brings it out nicely. Thanks for joining me today for this quick segment. Remember, keep doing art. Until next time.